Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna do something a little different. It's not Mustang related, sadly, but had a customer come, wanted me to make this video for him since he wanted to live out here while I did it. I told him that it probably wouldn't turn out the best if he did. So we're gonna put a Pandem wide body kit on this C8 Corvette. And it should look pretty good. I don't really like the bodies on these factory, but with this kit, they look pretty good. So I'm gonna show you what the kit looks like, and then we're gonna dig into it. So this is the big box that you get. And there's all the pieces. So I'm gonna open these up and set them next to the car so you guys kind of have an idea what it looks like. And we'll go from there. All right guys, got them all unwrapped, laid out. Pretty much every single one of them is gonna need some fiberglass work of some sort. Some worse than others. That's probably the worst of it. Which you already know, doesn't matter what kit you buy, it's always gonna have that. This one was just not enough stuff in the mold. But for how much these kits cost, they sure aren't, they don't ship them very well. Like they can ship them better. Cause I don't know if the damage is from shipping or do they just don't care and ship them out like that. But anyways, there is the kit laid out. We're gonna start mocking it up and then cutting the fender wells so we can start getting the fenders on. I'll probably bolt the side skirt on with the fenders in the quarter before I drill any holes so I know exactly where I want it and how the body gaps are and stuff. So that'll be a chore. I'll probably just tape it on there. Once I get the stuff cut out, I can tape everything on before I drill any holes because I want it set front to back perfect. And should be a little task, but anyways, I got to cut up a Corvette, so I don't really care. So I'm just gonna dive right into it. I think I'm gonna start in the front and then do the back, bolt them together and line them up. All right, guys, I got this side all mocked up. You can see, cut quite a bit from the quarter. It's crazy, but it looks good. Wheel's gonna tuck in there nice. I think I'm gonna take a little bit more off the front of the wheel well, but took off as little as possible, even though it doesn't really matter. It all gets hidden anyway. But this side I'm just starting on. As you can see, this side looks pretty boring and plain. There's not too much curves to this for being a rear engine car. So I like the kit personally. I really like the opening right there. Looks like a GTR. And then they're opening back here. So I'm gonna get the other side on and we'll go from there. All right guys, got both sides on. See how wide it looks. Still have to put the spoiler on, or the wing if some people call it. This side went quite a bit quicker. After you've done one side, you kind of know where to cut and you have something to look at, but it's coming together. I'm gonna mount the wing and then I'm gonna pull it all back off, sand it, throw some filler primer on it, and then we can start painting it. So it's not too hard. Just takes some ambition and a lot of patience. So I'm gonna get that wing put on, see what it looks like. All right guys, I kind of got ahead of myself. Didn't video, but I had the whole kit back off, sanded and fixed everything, which like I said, there's cracks and stuff in every single piece. So that took a long time. And if you worked with fiberglass, it is not fun. I haven't mounted or primed the wing yet. I'm kind of just over, I kind of got over the kit after a while. Spent so many times on it, but we're painting those black, so they're staying here. Today I'm gonna paint everything white. That is gonna have white on it, and we're gonna two-tone it. So I'm painting it white, clearing it, letting it sit 2 days, and then I'm gonna go back, wet sand it, and then do the black. I just do that so you can fix any imperfections easier. Way less chances of pulling the paint when you pull the tape from the two-tone. It's just it's like having insurance on your two-tone. So I'm gonna do it that way. So today we're gonna sand everything, paint it white, except those 4 pieces. Everything else is gonna get painted. And then 2 days from now, or maybe 3, we'll go back, paint the black with those. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm gonna start sanding. All right guys, got everything sanded. We're gonna start with these 6 pieces. And I changed my mind, I'm gonna two-tone them at the same time, clear coat them once, because they suck sanding around all the stupid bolt holes and they're just a nightmare. So got that. Got the wheels and tires yesterday, which showed up freaking sweet. Look at that. Here's the back one. Here's the front. These are cool carbon fiber. So everything's coming along. And after we get this painted today, we're gonna paint the side skirts, the spoiler, and the front lip together. And then it should be all bolted together and ready to go. There is air ride coming for it, but I haven't heard the tracking number yet. So there's still a lot to do, but it's starting to get going somewhere. It's a lot of work. So the wheels really are gonna set this thing off. So let me know in the comments what you guys think so far. All right guys, I changed my mind. I went to lunch. It's been in base coat for 2 hours. I'm gonna start masking off the two-tone, and then we're gonna clear coat it all at once. So let's pray nothing happens in the process. Pulling the paint off with the tape, but that's where we're at, and we're gonna go for it. All right guys, got everything two-tone, so I'm about to unmask it. I did throw in the 4 pieces that are all black also, so we're gonna clear them with it. And after all this, there's only gonna be the chin spoiler, the rear spoiler, the side skirts left to paint. And I'm gonna put the kit on for the last time. Alright guys, just got it cleared. The two-tone turned out awesome. So this is where we're gonna end this video. We're gonna have a part 2. Otherwise this video would be well over an hour. It all turned out awesome, except the first piece that I sprayed. It was crap in the gun. It shot white stuff. So I gotta redo this one, but luckily there's no two-tone on that one. So it'll be really simple, and that's not that hard to sand. But other than that, the other ones turned out awesome. So very, very pleased. Can't wait to get this stuff on the car, see how it looks. So if you like the content so far, like, subscribe, and share to your buddies. And I'll see you guys on part 2.